Ayam Goreng Indonesian fried chicken. Ingredients: 500 grams boneless chicken thighs, 2 inches ginger, 2 large red onions, skin removed, 50 grams shallots, 6 cloves garlic, skin removed, 8 stalks lemongrass, 5 pieces red bird's eye chlies, 3 tablespoons chili paste, 1½ tablespoon coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons meat curry powder, 1½ tablespoon cumin, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 egg, 100 gram corn flour, 400 milliliter vegetable oil for deep frying. Instructions: cut the chicken thigh pieces into long strips. Remove the darker green leaves from the top part of the lemongrass, and chop up the rest into smaller pieces. This will enable them to be blended in the food processor. Chop up the red onions into smaller pieces for blending in the food processor. With the side of a knife, smash the garlic cloves. In a food processor, blend the ginger, red onions, shallots, garlic, lemongrass, red bird's eye chilies, chili paste, coriander seeds, curry powder, cumin, salt and sugar. In the midst of blending, crack the egg into the blender. In a mixing bowl, put the chicken strips, and add the blended paste. Mix the paste with the chicken so it is evenly coated. Marinate the chicken for at least 2 to 3 hours in the fridge, or overnight if you have time to spare. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap to prevent the chicken from drying out in the fridge. Heat up about 400 milliliters oil in a pan. Add the corn flour to the marinated chicken, and mix it in. When the oil is hot, deep fry the chicken till it is a deep brown color. Drain the chicken on a paper towel to absorb excess oil. Fry the remainder of the spice blend from the chicken in the same pan. When it's deep brown, drain the fried spices, and pour them on top of the chicken.